Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about some important theorem of the trigonometric function and my name is Bhaveshwani. So let's begin. We will try to discuss first the cosine rule. So the cosine rule in generally is cos A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC. Where in the triangle ABC are, the small ABC are the sides of that triangle, okay. If this is the triangle ABC, this is ABC, so these are the sides of the triangle, okay. So this is all about the cosine rule. This is the formula for it. So cos B is equal to C square plus A square minus B square upon 2AC. Cos C is equal to A square plus B square minus C square upon 2AB. Okay. So this all are the formulae of the cosine rule. In the next session we will try to prove them, okay. This is also very important for HSC board examination, okay. So look this video very carefully. So the proof for the cosine rule is, consider a triangle. In triangle ABC, let angle B be acute or obtuse, but in standard position. Okay. So now consider a triangle ABC and let the angle B be acute or obtuse but in a standard position. So the diagram will be, there will be the two diagram, first considering it as acute and other consider angle B as obtuse. So the acute one is, this is the origin, this is one triangle, this is angle B, angle A, angle C. So this distance will be A, this distance will be B, and this distance will be C. And here B is in standard position. In this sense, the standard position generally means the origin, okay. So for this is for the acute. Now the diagram for the obtuse will be, this is the origin, angle is obtuse, this is BCA. The side will be same. This opposite to the point A will be distance A, opposite to the point B there will be distance B, and the opposite to the point C the distance will be small c. Okay. So here clearly that B is origin. Okay, here B coordinates are 0, 0, okay. C coordinates are A, 0. Here C coordinates A, 0. B coordinates 0, 0. So now what will be the coordinate for the A? Okay, the coordinate for the A will be as per the Cartesian coordinate rule. Therefore, by the Cartesian coordinates rule, the points for the E will be r, theta. That is, theta is here angle B. R, angle B. Okay. So you first look up to here, then we will discuss in the further session. Okay. So in the previous session we have discussed about the coordinates of the point A. The coordinates of the point A is r comma theta, that is here r is equivalent to c and theta is equivalent to angle B. Okay, so the next step will be clearly B stands for 0, 0. C stands for A, 0 and A stands for r, theta, that is equivalent to C, angle B. Also that is equivalent to C cos B, C sine B. This is the horizontal component and this is vertical component. Okay. So A stands for C cos B and C sine B. Okay. So our next step will be we have to find the distance between AC. So the distance between the AC is equal to, actually AC square is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here x2 is A minus C cos B whole square plus 0 minus C sine B whole square. So the AC is equal to under root of A minus C cos B whole square plus 0 minus C sine B whole square. Okay. So the AC will be under root of A square minus 2AC cos B plus C square, okay, C square cos square B plus C square sin square B. So now taking common C, okay, by taking common C square from here we will get, so C square common, cancelling this C, so we will get like this, C inside the bracket cos square B plus sin square B. So what is cos square theta plus sin square theta? It is actually 1. So replacing your cos square theta and sin square plus sin square theta by 1, so it will get like this. So our AC distance AC will become A square minus 2AC cos B plus C square. Okay. So this is our distance AC, which is actually a B. Okay. So look at here, AC is actually B. So B is equal to under root of A square minus 2AC cos B plus C. So the B square is equal to A square minus C square, actually 2AC cos B plus C. So 2AC cos B is equal to A square plus C square minus B square. So cos B is equal to A square plus C square minus B square upon 2AC. This is all about the cos B. Okay. This is all about the cos B. If you want to find out the cos A, and cos C. So here you have to just only replace the angle B by angle A, angle C. So you have to take the angle A as acute or obtuse in the standard position. So the angle A will be shifted over here, B will be shifted, C will be also shifted over here. So this is all about the cosine rule, which is actually an important topic for a board examination. It may be asked for the 3 marks question in your board examination. Okay, so look at this carefully. So now the very important remark over here, a question may be also from this remark, okay. If b square plus c square minus a square is greater than 0, then angle is acute. Okay. If b square plus c square minus a square is less than 0, then angle is obtuse. If b square plus c square minus a square is equal to 0, then angle is right angle. Okay, so these are all the 3 cases. In the board examination, the question may be like this: find the angle. Which kind of angle do the triangle have, having the side something A, B, C. Okay, so this remark is very useful over there. So keep in mind this is not for very important, but it may come. Okay. Now our next and very important is projection rules. Okay, projection rules. According to these rules, the A is equal to B cos C plus C cos B. Okay, according to this rule, the A is equal to B cos C plus C cos B. B is equal to A cos C plus A cos C, and C is equal to B cos A plus A cos B. Okay, this is all the projection rule. In the examination, board examination, the question will be the proof that A is equal to this, or B is equal to this, or C is equal to this. We have to prove that. Okay, so the starting will be let cos A is equal to, in the previous session we have learned the cosine rule. From that, the cosine rule formula, cos A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square upon 2 BC. Okay, cos B is equal to A square plus C square minus B square upon 2 AC. So cos C is equal to B square plus A square minus C square upon 2 AB. Okay, so these are all the cosine rule. According to the cosine rule, just a minute. Okay, so this is all the cosine rule. So we have to prove this. Okay, so if the question arises that if we have to prove this, then consider the cos C and cos B only. Okay, if we have to prove this, then consider cos, sorry, there is a mistake over here. Okay, this is C, here it is A. Okay. So if we have to prove that this B is equal to A cos C plus C cos A, then we have to consider cos C and cos A. If we have to prove C is equal to B cos A plus A cos B, so we have to consider the cos A and cos B. So in this session we will try to prove the first one, that is A is equal to B cos C plus C cos B. Okay. So just we have to consider, let RHS is equal to B cos C plus C cos B. So put the value of cos C and cos B over there. So what is the value of the cos C? So B into B square plus A square minus C square upon 2 AB plus C into C square plus A square minus B square upon 2AC. So here this C and C will cancel. Over here the B and B will cancel. So the remaining part will be B square plus A square minus C square plus C square plus A square minus B square upon 2A. Actually here the denominator are same, so I have written in like this. Okay, don't be confused. Okay, I have written the direct step. Okay, so here there is a cancellation takes place. This B square will cancel, C square will cancel. So the remaining is 2A square upon 2A. So now this 2 and 2 will cancel, this A square will cancel, remaining will be A. So the next step will be A is equal to B cos C plus C cos B. That's all. Okay, so look at this carefully. So next is sine rule. Okay, for the sine rule, let angle B be acute and angle C be acute, obtuse, also as right angle. So okay, I will not draw the lines. So the triangles will be, this is B C A, sides this A C B, this is one. Another is another one is B is always acute, but now the C is obtuse angle. BCA. Okay, so now angle B is acute, but angle C is obtuse. Sorry, not an obtuse, it is right angle. BCA. Okay, so this all are three diagrams for the sine rule. So now draw the perpendicular AD, draw perpendicular AD on BC. So the perpendicular will be D. And here it will be like this, D. Here it will be like this, D. Okay. So the D is drawn AD on BC, but angle D must be perpendicular. Okay. So up to here, let's take a recap. So the angle B be acute and angle C be acute, obtuse or right angle. So the first diagram is like this: angle B is acute, angle C is also acute. Second diagram, angle B is acute, angle C is obtuse. Third diagram, angle B is acute, angle C is right angle. Okay. So now the next step will be, in triangle, in triangle ABD, here in this triangle ABD, sine B is equal to, sine B is opposite upon hypotenuse, that is AD upon C. Okay, AD upon C. Okay, so now AD is equal to C sine B. This AD is equal to C sine B. Okay. So now in triangle ACD, in triangle ACD, sine C is equal to, sine C is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse, that is AD upon hypotenuse is B. Therefore AD is equal to B sine C. Okay. Therefore AD is equal to B sine C. From the figure second, from this figure, okay, from actually this is from the figure first, from this figure the angle C, figure second, sine pi minus C, okay, is pi minus angle C. This angle C will be this. Okay, so pi minus theta is equal to, according to sine, AD upon B. Okay, but tell me one thing, the pi minus theta is just theta and it lies in first quadrant. So in first quadrant the sign is positive. Actually it lies in second quadrant. So the second quadrant the sign ratios are positive. So C is equal to AD by B. Okay. From the third figure, figure third, sine C is 1. Okay, because angle C is 90 degree, So sine C is 1. So sine C is equal to AD upon AD upon B. Okay, AD upon B. Actually, it is AD upon AC. But AC is nothing but B. Okay. So from here, AD is equal to B sine C. Here also AD is equal to B sine C, and from here also AD is equal to B sine C. Also from here AD is equal to C sine B. So just comparing them, AD is equal to C sine B is equal to B sine C. So just compare these two. So sine B upon B is equal to sine C upon C. Similarly, sine A upon A is equal to sine B upon B. Therefore, sine A upon A is equal to sine B upon B. B is equal to sine C upon C. That is about the sine rule. Okay, this is all about the sine rule. It is quite important for board examination. So look at this carefully and try to understand it. It is very simple. Okay, and many problems in this chapter are also related to the sine rule and cosine rule, and also from the projection rule. So up to here, the all topics are important in this video. Actually, this video is important for board examination. Okay. So actually I have written sine A upon A, sine B upon B, sine C upon C. So there is actually A upon sine A, B upon sine B, and C upon sine C. So the next step is only to take a reciprocal of it. So take a reciprocal of it. This is all about the sine rule. Okay. So up to here we have learned about the sine rule, cosine rule, but from here अब हमको हाफ एंगल फार्मूला हमें पढ़ना है. Okay, so the half angle formula for sine and cos. Okay, so but what is the half angle formula? Here we have, up to here we have learned about sine A, but from here we have to learn sine A by 2. Similarly, up to here we have learned cos A, but from here we will learn cos A by 2. Okay, so there is one remark. In triangle ABC having side ABC, so the 2S is equal to A plus B plus C. Okay, but what is S? S is from Heron's formula. Okay, so we will now prove sine half angle formula. Okay, but what is actual that formula is sine a by 2 is equal to under root of s minus b s minus c upon bc. Now here is a trick to remember this formula. The formula should not consist a. If here it is the a, then this formula should not consist a. If here it is b, then this formula should not consist of the b. Here it is c, this formula should not consist of the c. And in the denominator, this is the product of these two. Okay. So similarly, for the b by 2, sine b by 2 is equal to under root of s minus a s minus c upon product of ac. Sine c by 2 is equal to under root of s minus a s minus b upon the products ab. Okay. So these are the formula for the sine half angle formula. So now let's try to prove them. So let us consider in triangle ABC 2s is equal to a plus b plus c. So by cosine rule, cos a is equal to b square plus c square minus a square upon 2 bc. Cos b is equal to a square plus c square minus b square upon 2 ac. Cos c is equal to a square plus b square minus c square upon twice ab. Okay. So there is one formula, that is 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sine square theta, actually theta by 2. This is the formula. So I am replacing here theta by a. So replace theta by a, also theta by a. Okay. If you want to find sine a by 2, replace theta by a. If you want to find sine b by 2, then replace theta by b. If you want to find sine c by 2, then replace it by c. So the next step will be consider LHS. So 2 sine square a by 2 is RHS. Okay, so don't consider it. So let LHS is equal to 1 minus cos A. So what is cos A? Replace the formula for the cos A over here. Okay, so 1 minus b square plus c square minus a square upon 2 bc. Okay, so multiply 2bc minus b square plus c square minus a square upon 2bc. Okay, up to here, any doubt? Okay, so the next step will be, actually this is in the bracket, so the next step will be 2bc minus b square minus c square plus a square upon 2bc. Okay, so now adjusting there, I am taking a square in the front, okay, a square in the front minus b square plus 2bc minus c square upon 2bc. Okay, so I am removing the minus sign from here. a square माइनस हमने कॉमन निकाल लिया है यहाँ से, सो माइनस कॉमन बी स्क्वायर माइनस 2bc प्लस सी स्क्वायर, ओके, अपॉन 2bc. But look at this formula. It is actually the formula for b minus c whole square. So replacing it by b, so a square minus b minus c whole square upon 2bc. So it will become a square minus b square, which is nothing but a minus b into a plus b. So a minus b plus c into a plus b minus c upon 2bc. That is the formula, that is expansion of it. Okay, so now adjusting here adjustment is there, a plus b plus c minus b minus b, and here a plus b plus c minus c minus c. Okay, if we cut this b and this b, we will get the original step 2bc. अब ये हम लोगों ने क्यों किया, ताकि ये जो 2s इज इक्वल टू a प्लस बी प्लस सी ये हमने जो लिखा है उसका यहाँ पर कहीं तो इस्तेमाल होना चाहिए, इसलिए हमने वहां पर वैसे एडजस्टमेंट की है. और आप फॉर्मूले में भी देख लीजिएगा, फॉर्मूले में भी s माइनस बी एस माइनस सी है. सो हमें फॉर्मूले में s की टर्म तो लगने ही वाली है, सो s की टर्म हमें चाहिए ही चाहिए. सो इसीलिए हमने वहां पर थोड़ा एडजस्टमेंट कर लिया है. ओके, तो अब वो एडजस्टमेंट जैसे ही हम सॉल्व करेंगे हमें फॉर्मूला मिल जाएगा. बट आप यहां तक के देख लीजिएगा, फिर इसके अगले सेशन में वो मैं फॉर्मूला वो डिराइव करता हूं. ठीक है, आप पहले देख लीजिएगा. Okay, so now we have come up to here. So the a plus b plus c is equal to 2s minus 2b and 2s minus 2c upon 2bc. ओके, अब हमने क्या किया है, ये जो स्टेप है उसे ही यहाँ पर लिखा है, बट a प्लस बी प्लस सी की जगह हमने 2s लिख दिया, और ये भी माइनस माइनस प्लस, तो वहां पर 2b है तो हमने 2b लिख दिया. तो वैसे ही हमने किया. तो अब हम यहां से 2 कॉमन निकालेंगे. 2 कॉमन s माइनस b s माइनस c upon 2bc. This 2 and this 2 will be cancelled out. Okay, so our RHS will be s minus b s minus c upon bc. Okay, so but हमारा LHS क्या था, हमारा LHS था 2 sin square a by 2 is equal to s minus b s minus c upon bc. अब ये हमारा LHS है, ये हमने सॉल्व किया, और ये RHS हमारा वो सॉल्व करने के बाद आया. तो हमने LHS और RHS दोनों को कंपेयर कर लिया. अब दोनों का कंपेयर करेंगे तो फिर हमने ये हमारी स्टेप आई. तो अब हमारी एक ऐसी गलती हो गई है कि हमने यहाँ से तो 2 कॉमन निकाल लिया, बट यहाँ से 2 हम लिखना भूल गए हैं। सो ये यहाँ का 2 है, दिस इज 2। ओके, आया आपके ध्यान में? ये 2 तो हमने निकाल लिया, अपन ये नहीं निकाला हमने। सो वो 2 भी हमने अभी निकाल लिया है। सो ये 2 और ये 2 कैंसल हो जाएंगे। सो साइन a/2 इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट ऑफ साइन s माइनस बी s माइनस सी अपॉन बी सी। सो ये जो स्क्वायर है हमारा राइट हैंड साइड में चले जाएगा। सो वहाँ पर जाकर हमारा रूट बन जाएगा, तो हमें ये स्टेप मिलती है। तो ये हुआ साइन के लिए हाफ एंगल फॉर्मूला। सो आप इसे एक बार देख लीजिएगा, फिर हम लोग कॉस का पढ़ेंगे। सो लुक एट this, then we will further move to the cos half angle formula. Okay, now we will see about the cos half angle formula. So the cos half angle formula is cos a/2 is equal to under root of s minus a upon BC. Okay, so cos b/2 is equal to under root of s minus b upon AC. Cos c/2 is equal to under root of s minus c upon AP. Now there is a trick to remember this formula also. अब हमने क्या करना है, अगर cos a/2 अगर रहा तो s यहाँ पे जो है वो जो साइड है वो भी a आना चाहिए। देखिए यहाँ पर भी b है, यहाँ पर भी c है। और जो नहीं है, माने a है तो b और c तो नहीं है वो इसमें, तो वो b और c का जो प्रोडक्ट है वो डिनोमिनेटर में आना चाहिए। यहां पर b है, a और c नहीं है, तो यहां पर a और c का प्रोडक्ट आ गया। ये हुई उसकी ट्रिक। ओके, सो देयर इज अ ट्रिक टू रिमेंबर दिस फॉर्मूला। ओके, सो वी विल ट्राई टू प्रूफ देम। द मेथड इज क्वाइट सिमिलर like to prove the half angle formula for sine. Okay, so in the triangle ABC, consider 2s is equal to a plus b plus c. Okay, so next step will be 1 plus cos a is equal to 2 cos square a/2. अब आपको अगर ये फॉर्मूला अगर लर्न नहीं है, ओके, अगर आपको ये सारे फॉर्मूला लर्न नहीं है और आपकी 12th की एग्जाम माने बोर्ड एग्जाम 1 महीने पे है, तो आप दो ही मत, सिंपल है, आप दो ही मत एग्जाम, क्योंकि ये इतना बेसिक फॉर्मूला है। 11 से यही हम लोग देखते आ रहे हैं, साइन कॉस सब यही फॉर्मूले है, सब 11 से हम यही पढ़ते हुए आ रहे हैं। तो आपको अब ये लर्न होना चाहिए। ओके, सो दिस इज द फॉर्मूला 1 plus cos a is equal to 2 cos square a/2. So just replace, consider left hand side. Okay, 1 plus cos a is equal to LHS. So 1 plus cos a का फॉर्मूला क्या है? What is the formula for the cos a? Yes, we have discussed in the previous session. You should remember it. So tell me, what is the formula for the cos A? If it is this, if your answer is this, then okay. If your answer is not this, rewind this video. Okay. So 2bc plus b square plus c square minus a square. Okay. But this is the upon 2bc. So, but this is the formula for b plus c whole square minus a square upon 2bc. So this do the expansion for this, b plus c minus a and b plus c plus a upon 2bc. So the next step will be adjustment over here. So the why to done the adjustment, I have already discussed this. Okay, ये एडजस्टमेंट क्यों करनी है हमने पहले भी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. अगर आपको अभी भी नहीं समझा तो वो वीडियो रिवाइंड कीजिए, बार बार देखिए. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है बोर्ड के एग्जाम के लिए. इसमें आप इजीली स्कोर कर सकते हो. इसमें आपके मिस्टेक होने के चांसेस भी बहुत कम रहते हैं. ओके, सो द एडजस्टमेंट ओवर हियर, द रिजल्ट ऑफ दैट एडजस्टमेंट विल बी 2s minus 2a. And over here it is 2s upon 2bc. So taking 2 common from this both, so it will be 4s minus a s upon 2bc bc. So this 2 and this 4 will cancel out. 2s minus a s upon bc. So this is our left hand side, but what is our right hand side? Right hand side is this. So comparing it, 2 cos square a by 2 is equal to 2 s minus a s upon bc. So this 2 will cancel, therefore cos a by 2 is equal to under root of s minus a upon bc. So this is the formula for cos a by 2. अगर यहां पर आपको ये प्रूफ करना है cos b by 2 के लिए, तो आप क्या करोगे ये मुझे आप बताओ, जल्दी बताओ. what you will do. So if your answer is replacing a by b, then it's correct. Okay, if not, then rewind this video, वापिस ये वीडियो को देखिए, 1000 बार देखिए, लाख बार देखिए, बट ये वीडियो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है 12 के एग्जाम के लिए. अगर ये वीडियो अगर आपको काम नहीं आया 12 के एग्जाम के लिए, अगर ये वीडियो आपने अगर पूरा देखा, तो मेरी गारंटी है इस वीडियो से आपके कम से कम 7 से 8 मार्क्स ये वीडियो से आपके ग्रेस होने वाले हैं. 7 से 8 मार्क्स आपके बढ़ने वाले हैं. ओके, so look at this carefully. So in the next session we will discuss about half angle formula for the tan. Okay, so look at this carefully. So now for the half angle formula for the tan, that is tan a by 2, a by 2 is equal to under root of s minus b s minus c upon s into s minus a. Tan b by 2 is equal to under root of s minus c s minus a upon s minus b into s. Tan c by 2 is equal to under root of s minus b s minus a upon s into s minus c. This all for the tan. So now how to prove tan a by 2, tan b by 2, tan c by 2? How to prove this formula? Yes, This is very simple. You should prove by your own. Try to prove by your own. Pause this video and try to prove by your own. Okay. So, how to prove it? So simple, tan a by 2 is equal to sine a by 2 upon cos a by 2. Tan a by 2. But tell me one thing, what is sine a by 2? Sine a by 2 is s minus b, s minus c upon bc. What is cos a by 2? 1 bc. So the next step will be s minus b, s minus c upon bc into this bc upon s into s minus a. This bc will cancel. Therefore, the formula will s minus b, s minus c upon s into s minus a. This is all about tan a by 2. If you have to prove tan b by 2, then replace here by b, b, b. If you have to prove tan c by 2, then replace here c, c, c. So this is all about tan a by 2. So it is very simple. So look at this. So the another important theorem is Snappier's theorem. It's a very important theorem for board examination. If you had done the analysis of the board examination paper from last 10 years, each and every question paper must contain this Snappier's theorem for at least for the 4 marks. Okay, so now it's very important theorem. So the proof for that theorem will be, starting from let, according to the sine rule, a upon sine a is equal to b upon sine b is equal to c upon sine c. Let us say it k. Therefore, a is equal to k sine a and b is equal to k sine c, k sine b, and c is equal to k sine c. Okay. Now consider a minus b upon a plus b is equal to, it's a particular step, that is ये जो एग्जाम्पल है ये हमें ये कंसिडर ही करना पड़ेगा एग्जाम्पल में, तभी ये सॉल्व होने वाला है. दूसरा कोई मेथड नहीं है इसे सॉल्व करने के लिए, ये ऐसे ही सॉल्व होने वाला है. ठीक है. सो सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ ए ओवर हियर, दैट इज k sin a minus k sin b upon k sin a plus k sin b. Okay, so removing k outside and the k will cancel out, so the remaining will be sin a minus sin b upon sin a plus sin b. So tell me what is the formula for sin a minus b. Okay, formula is 2 cos a plus b by 2 into sin a minus b by 2 upon 2 sin a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2. So this 2 will cancel out. Okay, so tell me what is cos. This term will become, yes, it is cot a plus b by 2 into tan a minus b by 2. Okay, this will become like this. But in the triangle, according to some of the property, this angle, this A, B and C are nothing but they are angle of the triangle. So A plus B plus C is equal to pi. Therefore A plus B is equal to pi minus C. So replacing A plus B is equal to pi minus C over here. Therefore cot pi minus C by 2 into tan A minus B by 2. Therefore it will become actually pi by 2 minus C by 2. The pi by 2, that is conversion takes place, angle lies in the first quadrant, so the cot is converted into tan C by 2 into tan A minus B by 2, and on the left hand side it is A minus B upon A plus B. Okay, so look at this up to here. So the next will be the next step will be shifting this tan C by 2 to left hand side. Okay, A minus B upon A plus B, then tan C by 2 will become cot C by 2 is equal to tan A minus B by 2. So just rearranging it, tan A minus B by 2 is equal to A minus B by A plus B into cot C by 2. That's all. It's the proof for Nappier's analogy. So look at this carefully. It is very important for your board examination.